Hi 5's Club, it's Teacher Janelle. I hope you're having a great day. I have my A is for Artist book, and we're going to finish it today. The last time we read this story, we left off, I believe, with the letter R, which R is for ribbon. The next letter in my alphabet is the S. S is for skull. Then there's T. T is for tambourine. This was our last vowel we talked about. U is for umbrella. V is for, does anybody know what that person's holding? Violin. W is for window. X is for X. See those two trees that are growing together to make an X? Y is for yawn. Yeah. And Z is for Zeus. Z. So, I thought we could take that vowel that we just saw, U, which the short sound for U is the sound. And I thought we could put the rest of our letters with the sound to see what sound it makes. If you remember, the first letter this time was the S. So it's the S, and an S has a backwards curve and then a forwards curve. S. The next letter that I did was the T, and it made the T sound. And a T is a big line down with a straight line across the top. The next consonant was the V sound, and it makes the V. And it's made up of one slant down and then one slant up. V. The next sound, or the next consonant, is the W. The W has one slant down, one slant up, and then another slant down and another slant up. And it makes the W. Look at my mouth. It makes a funny shape when I say the W sound. W. And it's W. The next letter is the X, and it's one slant down and then another slant across, and it makes the X. So if we were to blend these two sounds, which I'm not quite sure there's a word that blends these two sounds, but if we were, it would be X. Two more left. The next consonant is the Y, and it makes the ya sound. Ya. And finally, my last consonant is the Z. Oops, wrong way. You walk across the top for the Z, you do a slant down, and then you walk away. And it makes the Z sound. I thought before I go today, I could read the whole book one more time so you could hear all the letter sounds. A is for artist. A is for artist. B is for bumblebee. C is for candle. D is for dog. E is for egg. Remember, E also has the E sound. F is for flag. G is for grape. H is for horse. I is for iris. That's another vowel, and it also makes the I sound. J is for jar. K is for key. L is for lemon. M is for mustache. N is for nut. O is for owl. Also makes the O sound or the ah sound, or actually also the oo sound. P is for pearl. Q is for quail, or quill. I'm sorry, not quail, quill. If you know what that is, that's actually what they used to write with. It was called a quill, and they would dip it in the ink. R is for ribbon. S is for skull. T is for tambourine. U is for or you, umbrella. V is for violin. W is for window. X is for one word I can think of is xylophone. Y is for yawn. And finally, the last letter, what is it? Z. Z is for Zeus. My next couple of alphabet videos will work on trying to make some words with all of these sounds. I look forward to seeing you on video again soon. Bye-bye.